If you're looking for a delicious air fryer side dish, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am going to be making air fryer cubed butternut squash. This is a perfect side dish and it pairs with just about everything, or you can just make it and have butternut squash for lunch if you want, or even a snack. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, go over all the ingredients real quick, and then we'll go ahead and get this recipe started. Alrighty, I have some olive oil, cinnamon, one I'd say medium-sized squash, sea salt, black pepper, and light brown sugar. Friends, that is it. So friends, you saw very little ingredients. It's pretty, relatively healthy. We do have a little bit of brown sugar in there, but this is going to be a delicious recipe. So first thing I'm going to do is to help peel this, I'm going to go ahead, put it in the microwave just for a few minutes. And it's just going to soften it up and help me peel it. So I'm going to start with about 3 minutes. And then when we're done with that, we'll go ahead, peel it, cut the ends off, and cube it up, and we'll get started. All right, my friends, my butternut squash is a little bit warm, hot, so you do need to be careful getting it out. I'm just slicing off the end. Ooh, I'll have to check that out. I don't like the way that looks. That side's okay. Huh. Alrighty, and then we're just going to start up here and just go ahead right on down and slice. Oh, it's hot. You gotta be careful. Slice that skin right off. Just like that. I can't see what I'm doing because I'm trying to show you guys. I think a little smaller knife. Wait, let's try our potato peeler and see if that is a little better. I think I did this. Yep, this is what I did the last time. I remember now. It's like I knew I didn't use a knife. Alright, so the potato peeler works great, as you can see. You just go down, peel that right off. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish peeling it, and then we're going to check out that bad spot. I'm hoping it's not all the way up here, but I'm a little worried. We'll see. I'll check back in a sec. Alrighty, mess cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and cut around this spot right here. For the most part, it looks pretty good. Just going to slice around it. Hopefully you guys don't have this issue. It's very disappointing, but what do you do? Alrighty, I'm going to cut the last of that. Let's hope. Yeah, there we go. Okay, perfect. Did not ruin the whole thing. So I'm just cutting it up in chunks. I'm going to put that aside. Now, I have myself a bowl over here, and we're just going to cut them in cubes like that. Just like that. And then we're going to throw them in the bowl. Oops, I thought I had another one. Just like that. Alrighty, and then we're going to go ahead and just slice these off like that, and then we'll just cut each one down into cubes. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. Alrighty, my friends, all done. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my olive oil. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. You just want to get enough in there to get it coated really well. Alrighty. And then I'm going to go ahead and do 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Oh my goodness. Not brown sugar, cinnamon. What am I saying? Cinnamon. Oh, that's too much. Oh, that's okay. Put a little bit back. Had too much in there. All right, so 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm like really confused what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. One, a full one. So actually I'm going to do 3. Oh, I'm making my sugar's a little hard. All right, so 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then we're just going to add a little bit of sea salt, not a lot, just, you know, just a little bit, just for taste. And then we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper on there. I don't really measure this out. And friends, that is all. Now, the spatula. Now, one of the things that I have to mention, which you probably will not experience, my seeds were bad. So normally I would have cut this in half and then scraped all my seeds out. Get yourself, you know, as you can see, I was all prepared, ready to scrape out my seeds. And I did not have any. So, which is fine, not a big deal. And it may not have been, this just may have been me microwaving it. I've never microwaved it before. That was my first time. So if you put yours in the microwave and yours is like that, comment below and let me know. I'm kind of curious now. Because I've never had that happen before, as I said, but I've never microwaved it. That was a new tip that I just read. So, look at that. Look how nice they are covered. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan. I may have to do this in 2 batches. This might be a little too much because you don't want them bunched up in the pan. You do want them spread out, but we'll have to see. So let me go ahead and get my olive oil spray and we'll spray my pan. All right, my friends, I have my little sprayer here. I find I like the sprayer better than taking the olive oil and using a brush. This is just so much easier. Now let's go ahead and dump. Let's see. I have to decide what I want to do. Yeah, I think, do I want to do that or not? See how many we can get in here. A little bit more. Let's see if we can get them all in. I think we can. And we've got just a few of them are overlapping, not too many. I'm going to put this in for about 5 minutes and then I'm going to mix it up, you know, shake the tray, get it mixed up a little bit, and then put it back in. And I'll probably do that like maybe every 5 minutes. We're going to cook this for roughly 22 minutes or until tender. We'll check them. So, alrighty, my friends, we're going to put this in the air fryer. We are going to put it on 400. And I'm going to do 5 minutes and then I'm going to shake it up and, oops, messing up. And then mix it around and then we'll come back. All right, my friends, 5 minutes has been up. It smells good. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell this. Can you hear it sizzling? All right. All right, I'm going to go ahead, put this in for about 10 minutes, and then we'll check them. All righty, 10 minutes. Oh, been up. Oh, these look so good. Look at that. Oh, they smell good. Even my husband said they smelled good, and he doesn't like squash. And then when I told him it was squash, he went, ew. Makes sense, doesn't it? Let me get a fork. I just want to test it. I don't want to overcook them. Oh, salt. Yeah, I think I'm going to put them in for about 3 more minutes. Okay. And that will be it. Alright, my friends, we are done. There we go. Look at that. Do they look delicious or what? Alright, I'm going to go ahead, put some on a plate, and we'll do a quick taste test. Alright, my friends, here we go. I'm going to give you a close-up at the end like I always do. It smells so good. So tender. Perfect. Oh, there's a squirrel climbing up my gazebo. I don't know what he's he just jumped into my hanging plant. These are really good. Hot, sorry. Absolutely perfect. Nice and tender. Hot. I should have waited a little bit longer. Absolutely delicious. I would love pairing this with ham. This with ham would be absolutely perfect. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead, leave me any comments, questions, any kind of little emojis, because anything that you do, every like, share, comment, thumbs up, anything good or bad, just helps me out with my channel. It throws it out there and tells YouTube that people are watching. So it really will help me grow my channel. So I would appreciate any kind of comments, thumbs up, smiley face, whatever. Also, make sure you go ahead and hit that little subscribe button because that will help me out as well. And please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye!